to tell us about what we're going to see.
To our 5th grade show. This year we decided to do something different with our spring semester in 5th grade. Typically we've done a big research project, just like you've seen in the library setup. The 4th graders did their big research project, 3rd grade did the invention, and 5th grade usually does a research project too. But we decided to change it up a little bit this year. And so their challenge was to find some sort of a problem to solve, a real world problem, research it, find out facts about the problem, and then find and make up a creative twist to solving this problem. So they took facts and they took creativity. As kindergartners and 1st graders, what do we call creativity?
Slinky thinking.
Slinky thinking. They used their slinky thinking in 5th grade too. So they put all of that together and then they decided to solve this problem. Their problem is about a shrinking rainforest. And they had to write a script, which means they wrote their own lines to this play. They made their own costumes with the help of Miss Summer Cobb back there. Yes. We both had our sewing machines here, so we taught them how to sew with a sewing machine. They learned how to use some power tools. They learned how to build a set, a backdrop. They made all of their props, which means they made their cameras, they made their cars. They built everything from scratch with a lot of just junk. They used supplies from around home, supplies from around the school, and we really didn't have to spend hardly any money at all. So we had to get creative with our resources. So I can't wait for you to see it. Like Ms. Turner said, they don't all have microphones, they don't have mics, so listen really carefully so you can follow the whole storyline. Okay, before they come up on stage, we have a little movie trailer for you, all right? So enjoy. All right, chicka chicka. All right, I'm gonna say something. I know you can do a lot better than that. There was a lot of talking going on during that really short video. So I need everyone to put a bubble in it. This only lasts for about 4 minutes. So it has to be completely silent so you can hear their words. Because if you miss their words, this might not make sense and someone is still talking.
Welcome to our creative problem-solving performance, titled Environmental Dream Vacation. Our task was to create a performance for the following prompt. While no one knows what the future holds, it's likely we will have an important role in it. To prove just that, our team will present a performance that identifies an original threat to the environment while they are on their dream vacation. The threat self-replicates until the team created technical sense the threat. Our Team 7 will reflect the threat, then return to its original state.
Welcome to the Amazon jungle. This place is amazing. Let's go explore. What are you waiting for? Hop in. No, I'm waiting for my Amazon package. How fast do you think Prime will arrive in the Amazon? What was that? I think there's a monkey in the Amazon package.
Ooh, got any bananas?
Ah, there's a monkey in the middle of the jeep! Let's play monkey in the middle. Ha ha ha. Let's get back on the road. We have a big adventure ahead of us. Look, there's a monkey. And there's a cat. Okay, dolphin. Let's park the car here. The forest has gotten too thick because of all these plants. If we walk, we can be up close and personal with nature. Oh my gosh! What's happening? Where have all the trees gone? It's like a different world all of a sudden. It's like the rainforest is disappearing before our very eyes.
Did you know that 1.3 million trees are taken from the Amazon rainforest every year?
We're gonna walk our boots down the treeless road. We're gonna walk till we see a tree. We're gonna walk our boots down the treeless road. We're gonna walk till we see a tree. Ah! What happened? Are you okay? I got bit by that. What? That stick? No, of course not. It's according to my All Things Amazon app, it's a Bushman survivor.
That's right. I am the most famous.
Now
You will die in the jungle for me to feed on your corpse. Seriously. And don't you dare even try to get seeds from the gumbo limbo tree. Ow! I've said too much.
What's the gumbo limbo tree?
What? Gumbo tree doing the limbo?
The gumbo limbo tree has these special seeds. These oily seeds can reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and stop bleeding.
Okay, Smarty Pants, I am bleeding, and it does really hurt. Monkey, thank you for your monkey mind and wisdom. Then we need that gumbo limbo tree and all of its seeds.
No, don't cut me down.
Ah! Did that tree just talk?
Yes, I said don't cut me down. I'm one of the last of my kind. The rainforest is shrinking because of deforestation and global warming. Get over here. Tell them why we need to protect our forest.
Okay, it's the beatboxing back with another banger for you guys to vibe with. Okay, let's get this started. Mother Nature, we must protect and treat our world with respect. Respect, hey, hey, to the Mother Nature rap with me. Animals are endangered, we must treat them with respect. They need looking after or there won't be many left. Respect, hey, hey, to the Mother Nature rap with me. We must stop deforestation to help prevent this situation from forest jungles to mountain ranges. We must stop these climate changes. Respect, hey, hey, to the Mother Nature rap with me.
Did you know that at this rate of deforestation, 27% of the Amazon rainforest will be gone by 2030?
What's deforestation?
The deforestation crisis is happening because of relentless colonization combined with environmental vandalism and a warming climate.
But Tree, I need you to heal my friend. Please help us.
Okay, fine. I will give you my seed, but you need to plant more gumbo limbo trees or we'll go extinct. Can we make some sort of deal here?
How do we plant more of your kind if we only have one seed and we need the seed to heal my friend?
I don't want to lose my habitat. I have an idea how we can build a multiply again.
What's that?
Well, that only makes sense that a multiplier is something that makes multiples of another thing. So that means I can multiply my bananas?
That's not what I was talking about. I was wondering about the machine idea.
The one and only multiplier into the tank. So when it multiplies, the tank shoots the multiplied seeds out to the soil. This will ultimately grow more gumbo limbo.
start this baby up.
Yay, it's working!
Have another seat. You deserve it.
Thanks so much. Finally, some healing for my viper bite.
Here's some cream from the gumbo and those receipts.
This is bound to help my viper bite, and just in the nick of time. I'm gonna be okay.
Not only did we get you healed, but thanks to the seed multiplier, we are able to replant the areas of the Amazon that have been affected by deforestation and global warming.
Hooray! We are getting our habitat back. And I'm finally going to get some more friends.
Geez, I thought I was your friend, but I guess the more the merrier.
Well, it's about time.
I'm still starving.
We can all do our part by, as I was saying, we can all do our part by using sustainable wood sources, recycle, educate people on forest vandalism, and relentless burning and building. Thanks for being part of our show and commitment to saving the rainforest environment. Our rainforests are running out of